What's up, Facebook world? My real estate entrepreneurs, where are you at? Come on in the room. I am in Staples. I had to run out and pick up a few things and figured out to get on live. I'm going to the clearance section first. Always hit clearance first and then move on. So I'm in here, I had to pick up a few things, and if you're an entrepreneur, real estate entrepreneur, your main focus is what? To make money. And you do that through sales. Well, how do you get sales as a real estate entrepreneur? Sometimes if you don't have access to the right systems, you'll be spinning your wheels. You'll be spending a lot of money for leads that really do not work for you. Well, I have a system that I've been using for the last 10 months with my new millionaire mentor. And that system has allowed me to be able to pick up 20 homes in 1 month. That's how awesome these leads are. Hi, Robert. Hi, Mama Annette. So we have a system that has allowed me to be able to pick up so many properties, 20 in 1 month. And your sales for your business is the most important thing. You have to know where to find your targeted audience. So what I'm doing is I'm getting ready for my the campaign that I'm doing. And so I'm picking up some envelopes, stamps, paper, that type of thing, so I can get that campaign started. But I have a system that's going to direct me to exact set of people that I want to target, and these are fantastic leads. If you're a real estate entrepreneur and you are having problems with your leads, please get on my calendar. Right now we're having a special for the next 7 days where we're not selling our leads $2 a piece. We are selling our leads for $1 a piece with a 500 lead minimum. So that will be $500 for 500 leads. Guys, these leads will get you to some properties. If you need training on how to get the properties for free, you still want to get on my calendar, www.timewithjanellecl.xyz, so we can talk about how we can get you into our mentoring program and to make sure that you're a good fit. So I love Staples, guys. I love stationery. Hi, Mark. Staples doing a business run. And I'm just talking about how it's important, when you're an entrepreneur, to have a targeted audience and having good leads if you're in sales. And the system that I use, it's so great. It allows you to get phone numbers there. It allows you to call from the system. You can text message from the system. You can... it stores all of your contracts. You can send mailers out through the system. It's a fantastic tool to have if you're in real estate. Really keeps me organized. It's a phenomenal system. But you have to have great leads. You have to know where to get these leads from. And so we have a special with our leads. They're $1 per lead right now, 500 minimum. Hi, Jason. So get on my calendar if you need to purchase leads. Also, if you need some training in real estate, with wholesaling, getting free properties, whatever your issues are that you're having in your business, we can definitely assist you with that. So I'm just in here shopping, trying not to get caught up, because I get caught up pretty quickly. So what's going on? Mark, I saw that you got a new job. Congrats. But you're going to graduate from that soon, too, because you're going to be working full-time ministry. Yeah, I said it. You're coming off that job, although you just got it. As soon as you realize who you really are and believe it, you're out of there. You are out of there. All right, guys, just wanted to pop on and give you that little bit of information in regards to the leads and the mentorship training. Again, that website, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the comments, www.timewith Janelle and CL dot XYZ. Whoops, I misspelled that. Hold on just a second. www.time, TIME, WITH, I keep hitting the O by mistake, JONELANDCL dot XYZ. There we go. I'm looking exhausted because I actually just got back in town 2 days ago from Michigan. I was back up there. We actually sold one of our properties last week, and we started on a new property. So I went up there to get that jump started. We had our crew and everything working on that property. Once it got started, then I came on back home. But every time I go up there and I'm working nonstop, I get exhausted. I come home and I'm so tired. You can see it in my eyes. I know you can. But that's why I look exhausted, because I am. And I came home, went straight to work. I haven't even really rested that great yet, but it's okay. It's a part of the journey. You got to really put that time in if you want to see that desired result. So a lot of times I'm up late nights. I'm out of state a lot. But that's the work. That's what you got to put in if you want to live the type of life I'm going to live very soon. And y'all, I'm so close. I'm like this close. You could be that close too. You can be that close too. Get on my calendar so we can talk. Let me help you walk you through this process of getting off of your job and getting some stable residual income. Let me help you get paid multiple times with real estate. Right now, I have 4 different streams of income. I've been off of my job steady for 6 months, and it's all being sustained by real estate. This is not make-believe. This is my real life. This is my real life. I do this every day. Let me turn this around so you guys can see. I am in Staples right now. I'm getting supplies to send out to my next set of what I'm doing right now is doing a campaign for pre-foreclosures in a specific area, and I'm about to send out mailers for that. For the next 30 years, and I got like 17 more to rehab and do the same process if we don't just sell them. Some of them are just total good jobs, and we are going to flip those so we can get some quick money to put into our rehabs that we're going to actually keep. Hi Woody, hi Lewis, Salamaha. when we are one with the universe, it's like we already go through our whole life. Everything we need, it already transforms. Like our whole life has already happened. And then we go back to the beginning, and then we're birthed. And we have to just go through the process. But if we don't realize that, if we don't realize the way has already been made for us, if we don't realize that everything that we need to accomplish the dreams that we have is already in us, we'll never accomplish it. That's what deja vu is. Those dreams you have at night that you think are so big, they're so much bigger than you. That's the life that you're supposed to be living. But if you don't recognize it, it'll never happen. That's just the universe just planting a seed. Like, don't you remember this? Don't you remember, you used to live this? Like, this is who you are. Those dreams are just reminders of who you really are. But what happens is we're born and, the world bogs us down. Situations bog us down. People bog us down, and our dreams get buried under all the stress and craziness of this world, and we forget who we are. But we have to hold on to the dream. Go back to the dream. Focus on the dream. Write the dream down. Pin the dream up. Continually go over the dream and start working toward it. Believe that that's who you are. Believe that you're worthy enough to live that kind of life. And that's another thing. We go through a lot of crap in life. We're in a lot of situations, and a lot of times we feel like the situations make us who we are. In a sense, it's kind of true. Like, you're not the situation, but the situation gives you strength. It gives you character. It gives you a testimony, so that when it's time, when you've matured, you can share that testimony, and it can bring someone else out of the darkness. It can encourage someone else out of their current situation. I don't know why we always think when we go through stuff that we're the only ones going through it, but we're really not. This is just, it's the life cycle. There's nothing new under the sun. So everything that's happened to me in my life is happening to somebody else right now. But if I don't mature and grow from it and speak encouragement and speak life and just let people know what I've gone through so that they can see that they can come out, man, I don't know. I just want us to all realize that we are great, that we are wanted, that we are needed, and there are people out there right now waiting for you to become. They're waiting on you to become who you're supposed to become. We really don't have as much time as we think we do. What keeps me knowing that there's people out there that's waiting on my love. They're waiting on my affection. They're waiting on my gift. They're waiting on my obedience. So every morning I wake up and I'm open to the universe and I'm saying, what do you want me to do today? Where do you want me to go today? What do you want me to say today? I'm open. So that's why I get on these lives. I'll start off saying something and it'll turn into something totally different because I'm open. I don't know who's on the other end of this phone. I don't know what situation you might be going through, but the universe knows. And I just say what's on my heart to say and keep it moving. Although, you guys know I say it on every single live, this is not comfortable for me. And most times, your purpose is going to put you in the most uncomfortable position. That's why people think, that can't be me. Like, that's probably not what I'm supposed to do because it's not comfortable. I'm very, very introverted. I'm very quiet, very much to myself. I don't like conversation. I really um so that's it. You guys have any questions for me? Put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Hi, Woody. What's up, you guys? Please like and share my videos. I can see when you share. Go ahead and share. Let me see. Like and share my videos. All right, guys, I gotta focus because I still have to make some other stops and pick up my baby from karate. So thank you for tuning in. Again, if you need any assistance with anything, maybe you need help writing out your goals, or really finding out what you want, finding out what your purpose is, get on my calendar, www.timewithjanelleandcl.xyz. If you are already a real estate entrepreneur and you're having some difficulties with your leads, get on my calendar, www.timewithjanelleandcl.xyz, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and get those leads over to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, I really got to focus. I've been on here for too long. Thanks for tuning in. Again, share and like.